In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect the Redmi Airdots to a Windows 10 laptop. So I'll show you how to get them into pairing mode manually and then connect it to a laptop using Windows 10. It could be either the Dell laptop, Toshiba, HP laptop, Asus, whatever laptop you have, as long as it has a working Bluetooth adapter. So let's say you took them out of the case, the Airdots, you took them out of the case, and they don't go into pairing mode for whatever reason it is. Now, if that happens, what you're going to do first is go ahead and long press the physical buttons, both of them, and make sure they light up in red one time, each of them, okay? They can happen the same time or after each other. So I'll turn them off. So the left earbud is off, and then I'm going to hold down the right side to turn off the right side. So make sure that red light shows. All right. So once you've gotten them both off, the next step is together at the same time. You're going to press down on the physical buttons together. And the first white light that appears on both of them, let it go. Like this, and then let it go. You'll notice how they blink once, and then the right side is going to remain in the pairing mode, which is the host earbud. And I'm just showing you that this is the right earbud. All right. So with that said and done, they're now in pairing mode and ready to be connected to a device that is capable of accepting Bluetooth devices. So we'll go into the main settings of our laptop here. Go to the gear icon that says settings right here. So click on that one time, and then this window is going to open up, and you're going to go to the section that says devices right there. So click on that one time. Then you will see this section here that says Bluetooth and other devices. You will see a on and off switch right there, that part right here. Click on that one time, and that'll turn on your Bluetooth settings for your laptop. If not, check your device manager settings and see if it needs to be enabled. Next up, click on the top option, and then you will see this black window shows up like that, and you'll click on the first option that says Bluetooth right here. So click on that one. Then it's going to start searching for nearby devices. You'll see those little dots going across, and you should see Redmi Airdots R, which means the right earbud. When you see it, click on it. It's going to start connecting for you. And for some of us, there might be a message that appears to the bottom right of the screen right here that will say we are setting up your device, and then the message disappears, and then another message will come up and say that your device is ready to use. And after that, just click on where it says done. And next up, what you can do, and for some odd reason during the time of my video recording, the volume icon isn't working, but when you click there, there is a pop-up menu which you can toggle between using the mic, the earbuds, or the speaker of the laptop. If not, type in the search bar here, and you're going to type in the words sound settings, or as you type S, you'll see it appear, sound settings. So click on that right there, click on that one here. And when you're in this section, you'll be taken to the output and the input options for your speakers or your earbuds. So here, the first part is the output. And when you click there, you will see the option to choose whether the sound comes out from your eardots or the laptop speakers. And then when you scroll down a little bit, you will see a input section, which you are using the mic for the laptop or the Airdots mic. So you can choose whether you want the mic to be the Airdots or the laptop mic itself, the built-in mic. And of course, as always, if this tutorial was helpful in any way, do like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications, and of course, thanks for watching.